Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you a creative baby photo using households. Firstly, I have prepared clouds and water drops to look like rain using cardboard. I have cut the cardboard into clouds and water drop shape and colored them using the blue. You can cut the cardboard in the size as per your requirement. For umbrella, I have used lehenga and folded it into a shape of cup on the top, and for the stick of umbrella I have used my black legging and molded them in the shape required so as to look like umbrella. I have used some leaves and placed crossly so as to give a feel like cloudy and breeze environment. Be careful that your baby dress makes picture bright and it can be a contrast to your background cloth whichever you pick. Here I have used white. You can choose blue in the top to look like cloud and sky environment, and green in the bottom like baby sitting on that or baby moving. As per the idea you can choose. Here's my pic which I have created. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and comment, and any more suggestions are welcome. Thanks.